cause in every step I take will always cause a bruise. We're going fishing! Where are we going? Hey, Noodle! Hey, guys! Fucking fishing! For another day in the light and another day, a lifeline for my neighbour calamity. I hate this world, I hate this earth, it's reincarnate, never be my birth. Bye! We have landed. We got the shrimp net. We got the kids. We got the nephew. We got the son somewhere. We got me. We got the homemade shrimp net. Link in the description from how I made it. Goodbye. Watch the road. Come here. Come here. Wait for this car. Look at that. You come down Saltburn, right? Peaceful time. Well, top of the morning, Jack. This is Mr. Jack Hardy. Say hello. What's happening, bro?
He's Mr. Donut now, showing everyone how to go. I know, we're gonna go back up. He's Mr. Donut now. Recording him. I'm looking at the fucking sky, the daft gun. Where's he at? Come here! Come here! Watch this big wave get a little dwarf. Whoa! Where's he gone? Where's he gone? Guessing he's got fuck all. I've got him. He's not got now. Didn't work. Ah, his Nike trousers didn't fucking work. See, you told him to go shallower. He didn't listen. He's trying a bit shallower now. Tell you what he was best off doing. He's better off going home. He's got more chance of fucking catching a crackhead in his front room trying to take his telly. That's what he's got. More chance of that. Yep. He's got no luck whatsoever. Right, what have you got in the net?
Nah, never come. No, swim, push netting, shit. Oh no, son. You give it a go. There's none around here. None around here. I've tried somewhere else. I have caught them down here before though. But all dredging and stuff that's going on. That might be something to do with it, I'm not sure, but who knows? We'll try again, people, try again. Thanks for watching. And that'll do for today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.